In this lesson, we are going to learn this sign is called Sukoon. It's a joining sign. Letter with Fatha Kasra Dhamma joins the letter that has the Sukoon. It's going to be A and B, ab, E and B, ib, U and B, ub, E and in, Qa and the qad, Khu and the khud, Ha and la khal. Fa has two dhammas, tanween, join it to the na sound, Fu and na fun, khal fun. Qa and la qal. Ba has two dhammas, tanween, join it to the na sound, bu and na bun, qal bun. I and la il. Again ma, two dhammas, tanween, join it to the na sound, mun, al mun. We'll skip this exercise. We'll go again to this exercise. Ya has a sukoon. The letter before it is with fatha. A and ya I. B and ya bai. T and ya tai. Th and ya thai. They are short sounds. A and ya I, na. B and ya bai, na. L and ya lai, sa. K and ya kai, fa. Hai and ya hai, thu. Here you are joining. Wow has the sukoon, so we are joining letter with fatha to wow. The sound of wow is wa. A and wa, au. B and wa, bau. T and wa, tau. Th and wa, thau. They are also short sounds. Qa and wa, qau. La has two fathas, tanween, join it to the na sound. La and na lan, qau, lan. Pa and wa, tau. A has two fathas, tanween, a and na an, tau, an. Qa and wa, qau. Ma has two dhammas, tanween, mu and na mun, qau, mun. Ya and wa, yau. Ma has two dhammas, mun, yau, mun. We'll just do all these exercises once again. Ab, ib, ub. In, qad, khud, khalfun, qalbun, ilmun. Aina, baina, laisa, kaifa, haythu. Qawlan, tawan, qawmun, yawmun. Exercise in this, that's another rule. It is sukoon is on Hamza. I have a hiccup. Whenever you see sukoon on Hamza, you have to give the hiccup to the letter before it. Ba, bi, bu. Ba, sa. Ya, muru. Ji, ta. Bi, sa. Tu, maru. No, minu. I teach the children. Sukoon says, come catch me. The letter that has fatha kasra dhamma before will join the letter with the sukoon. Any letters in between get deleted. Here you have the next letter with sukoon, but in the Quran you'll find at times there are some letters in between, so they get deleted. So, and I use hands on, like my first sound will be the letter with fatha kasra dhamma, and my right hand will be the letter with fatha kasra dhamma, my left hand will be the phonic of the next letter that has a sukoon. I make a fist and I join like it will be my right hand fist and ba will be my left hand fist. I join them together and ba ab. We have to just make sure a lot of times when they're joining they elongate like and ba ab. So doing it with hands and using the word and makes the sound, it is not elongated, it's like just joining two sounds, ab, ib, ob. I hope it becomes easy and fun to do it with hands.